Okay, so we all have those moments where someone says something and we don't quite agree, but we still want to sound polite, right?
Exactly. Like when a friend says, I love pineapple on pizza, and you're just not about that life.
Oof, that's a spicy topic. But yeah, you can't just go, "Ew, gross." Well, unless it's your best friend.
Right, and today we're going to teach you how to disagree without sounding harsh. Whether it's small talk or serious convos, these phrases help you stay kind, respectful, and confident.
Let's start basic. A super polite way to disagree is, I see what you mean, but, or, that's an interesting point. I have a slightly different take. They work great when you want to stay gentle and thoughtful.
If you're with friends and it's more casual, try, I'm not so sure about that, or I kind of see it differently. It sounds honest, but not harsh.
Now, if you're in a playful mood, like with friends debating music or movies, you can say, "Oh, come on, no way," or "I gotta disagree with you there, buddy." Just say it with a smile, and it works.
And if you're in a more formal setting, like work or school, say, I respectfully disagree, or that's a valid point, though my perspective is a bit different. Also, listen well. Sometimes the best way to be heard is to first show you understand the other person's view.
Let's do a quick recap. Instead of saying, no, you're wrong, try, I see what you mean, but that's interesting. I have another perspective. I'm not so sure about that. I respectfully disagree.
These phrases save you from awkward silences and help you keep the conversation going smoothly.
And remember, it's not about winning. It's about connecting.
In the next episode, we'll practice how to give compliments the right way. Not too awkward, not too fake. Just real talk.
Okay, see you next time, fam.